Have you ever noticed that not all plugs are the same? Some have two pins, others have three. And if you look closely, that third pin is usually longer and thicker than the other two. But why? What is it actually doing? And if it's so important, why don't all devices use it? The answer takes us back more than 100 years and reveals one of the most important safety features hiding in homes around the world. By the end of this video, you'll be saying, I didn't know that. Long before laptops, televisions, and phone chargers existed, electricity was mainly used for lighting. Early electrical devices were simple, and dedicated wall sockets were not yet common. As electricity became more popular, inventors searched for safer and more convenient ways to connect appliances. One important breakthrough came in the early 1900s with the development of detachable electrical plugs. These plugs typically used two pins. One carried electrical power into the device. The other completed the circuit and allowed the current to return. For many years, this worked perfectly well. But as electrical appliances became more powerful and more common inside homes, engineers discovered a potential problem. Inside every electrical appliance are wires carrying electricity. These wires are normally protected by insulation. However, if insulation becomes damaged or wears out, electricity can sometimes reach parts of the appliance that are not supposed to carry current. In appliances with metal bodies, this could create a safety risk. Engineers needed a solution, and that solution became the third pin. The third pin is commonly called the earth pin or grounding pin. Unlike the other two pins, it does not normally supply power to the appliance. Instead, it provides a dedicated path connected to the ground. If an electrical fault occurs and electricity reaches the outer metal casing, the grounding connection helps direct that current away through a safer path. This allows protective systems such as fuses or circuit breakers to disconnect power when necessary. In simple terms, the third pin exists to improve electrical safety. But there's something else interesting about it. Take a closer look at a 3-pin plug. The earth pin is almost always longer than the other two. When you insert the plug into a socket, the earth connection is designed to be established before the power pins connect. And when you remove the plug, it is usually the last connection to disconnect. It's a small detail that helps the safety system work as intended. So if the third pin is so useful, why do some devices only have two pins? The answer is that many modern devices use something called double insulation. These products are designed with multiple layers of insulation and do not rely on exposed metal parts. Because of their design, a grounding connection is often unnecessary. You may even notice a symbol showing one square inside another square on some chargers and appliances. This indicates the device has been designed with double insulation. The next time you plug something into a wall socket, take a second to look at those small metal pins. What seems like a simple piece of plastic is actually the result of decades of engineering designed to make electricity safer. If you learned something new today, leave a comment saying, I didn't know that. And if you're curious about the hidden stories behind the world around us, don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.